kumsang nile som panga Mizoram Civil Service MCS exam Prelims paper 1 Booklet series A question and answer kan en how donani. Question number 1. The 14th Finance Commission recommended increasing the share of tax devolution to the state to the level of answer option A 42% of the divisible pool. Question number 2. Swachh Bharat cause is answer A Clean India fund set up by the government of India to promote sanitation facilities. Question number 3. Population of states has been an important criteria used by 14th Finance Commission in the distribution of divisible pool of tax revenue among the states. The reference population is answer option A 1971 census. Question number 4. Which city in India is ranked as the most polluted city by the Central Pollution Control Board in March 2015? Answer option A Delhi. Number 5. Government of India on March 2015 opened land custom station in which of the following states? Answer option B Mizoram. 6. The winner of Women's Single Title of India Open Badminton Championship 2015 was answer option B Saina Nehwal. Question number 7. Which of the following is India's largest public sector commercial bank? Option B SBI. Number 8. The 25th Asian Summit 2014 was held at answer C Naypyidaw, Myanmar. Question number 9. Which of the following social security scheme was recently launched by the Prime Minister of India? Answer option D PMJJBY. Question number 10. According to seismic zoning map issued by the Bureau of Indian Standards, which of the following two cities are at the highest risk of being devastated by an earthquake? Answer option A Guwahati and Srinagar. Question number 11. Microsoft India has recently unveiled computing-based digital learning and teaching with an aim to make learning fun. What is the name of this program? Answer option B EduCloud. Which of the following application was recently launched by Railway Ministry for paperless unreserved tickets? Question answer option A Utsan Mobile. Question number 13. India has launched massive efforts for relief and rescue in a recent quake hit Nepal. What was the name of the operation? Answer number C Operation Maitri. Question number 14. Which of the following books was released by Sri Narendra Modi on the occasion of Civil Service Day, observed on 21st April 2015? Answer C Best Practice Tomorrow is Here. Question number 15. From the inscription on seals, pottery and other subjects, it is clear that the Indus Valley people did not know reading and writing. True, the use of weights and measure proved that the Indus Valley people knew arithmetic. Answer is option C. 1 is incorrect but 2 is correct. 16. Who was known as Napoleon of India? Option number C Samudragupta. 17. Which of the following is the correct description of the Jagirdar? Option A. State official and collector of revenue of his jagir, land on behalf of the state with a view to obtaining his salary. Number 18. Who wrote the Ain-e-Akbari? Answer C. Abdul Fazal. 19. Who engineered the system of diarchy in Bengal? Option A. Robert Clive. 20. What was the main purpose of forming the Hunter Commission? Option B. To inquire into the on-ground realities of education scenario in India. 21. Which of the following associations is in the correct chronological sequence? Answer A. British Indian Association, Indian National Congress, Muslim League. 22. Who was called the Frontier Gandhi? Answer option D. Khan Abdul Ghaffar Khan. 23. What difficulty is being faced by historian to comment on the Aryan expansion in India? Answer D. Paucity of archaeological evidence. Question number 24. 24 hiti diklawan ia mistaken ia. 25. What was the first English ship that came to India? Answer B. Red Dragon. 26. Which Governor General was responsible for the Europeanization of Indian civil service? Option B. Lord Cornwallis. 27. Who was the first to formulate the theory of three successive phases of British colonialism in India, namely mercantilist, free trade mercantile capitalism, and finance imperialism? Option A. Karl Marx. 28. Territorially, the biggest country in the world is C. Canada. 29. The leading producer and exporter of petroleum in South America is option D. Venezuela. 30. BRICS represent the group of countries represented by A. Brazil, Russia, India, China, and South Africa. 31. Which country is not a member of Association of Southeast Asian Nation, ASEAN? B. China. Which of the following rivers of India does not make the delta? Answer option B. Tapti. 33. Damodar Valley project is an multipurpose project. Maximum concentration of minerals in India is found in C. Southern Peninsular Plateaus. 35. The cleanest village of India is located in the state of C. Meghalaya. 36. Chorology is option C. Study of spatial distribution of organism. 37. Brazil is famous for coffee production. Option A. St. Helena Island is located in C. South Atlantic Ocean. 39. Far East generally includes countries like option C. India, Pakistan, Myanmar, China, Bangladesh, Thailand, Indonesia, and Japan. 40. Geopolitics is associated with Khan Hocefer. Option A. 41. Lame duck session of parliament means option B. The last session of parliament before the dissolution of Lok Sabha. 42. Who participate in the election of the vice president? Option C. Member of the Rajya Sabha and Lok Sabha. 43. The Constitution of India provides for free and compulsory education to which one of the following groups of children? Option C. 16 to 14 years. 44. The term social justice has enabled the Supreme Court of India to uphold a legislation. All of these. 45. Community Development Program was launched in the year 1952? Option A. 46. The resolution of Balwan Rai Mehta Committee did not include option D. Constitutional protection for Panchayati Raj. 47 question here. Declare. 48. Which of the following civil service fine mentioned in the Constitution? Option B 1, 3 and 4. Indian Administrative Service, Indian Police Service, All India Judicial Service. 49. Which of the following exercised the most profound influence on the Indian Constitution? Option A. The Government of India Act 1935. 50. The President can be impeached of the Indian Constitution. Article 61. Option D. 51. Who is Chairman of National Integration Council? Option B. Prime Minister. Dash is known as the father of local government in India. Answer option D. Lord Ripon. 53. How many languages were initially included in the Indian Constitution? Option A. 14. 54. Which of the following statement is not correct about Sukanya Samriddhi Scheme? Option C. The minimum deposit amount is rupees 50 every year. 55. Which district of Mizoram is selected for Beti Bachao, Beti Parao program? Option D. Saiha. 56 question hindi Boka. 57. The All India Rural Poverty Line in per capita monthly consumption expenditure as proposed by the Rangana Rajan Committee 2014 for 2011 and 12 was option A rupees 972. 58. Which is not necessarily the component of privatization? Option C. Financial sector reform. 59. Those banks which have been included in the second schedule of Reserve Bank of India Act 1934 are called option B. Scheduled banks. 60. The monetary difference of the total export and import of an economy in one financial year is called option B. Trade balance. 61. Nirmal Gram Puraskar is associated with option D. Total Sanitation Campaign. 62. Sustainable development involves D. Using all resources at optimal rates. 63. Who conducts the periodical sample surveys for estimating the poverty line in India? Option B. National Sample Survey Organization. 64. Which of the following international organizations use a uniform standards to measure the poverty line in developing countries? Answer option B. World Bank. 65. What does NPP stand for? Option C. Nation Population Policy. 66. Which of the following is a density dependent factor that regulates population size? B. Disease. According to the competitive exclusion principle, two species cannot continue to occupy the same niche. 68. Which of the following most directly relate to the current biodiversity crisis? Option D. Introduced species. 69. Which of the following would not qualify as an ecosystem service? Rain falling to earth. Option A. Which of the following is a method of predicting the likelihood that a species will persist in a particular environment? Option D. Population viability analysis. 71. Ecology as a discipline directly deals with all of the following levels of biological organization except answer C. Cellular. Kyoto is a carbon dioxide as Montreal is to chlorofluorocarbon CFCs, CFS, CFCs, chlorofluorocarbons. 73. Which country has organized its cabinet meeting under the sea to direct attention of the world toward the global warming and its threats? A. Maldives. 74. The organism that does not require sunlight to live. C. Chemosynthetic bacteria. 75. The one-horned rhinoceros is specific to the sanctuary. A. Kaziranga. 76. Which of the following is not one of the 5 basic causes of environmental problems? A. Public policy. 77. A group of students order a pizza with mushroom, ham, and pineapple. The mushrooms belong to the kingdom. C. Fungi. 78. Light emitting diode LED converts option B electrical energy into light energy. 79. Magnifying glass is a basically a C. Convex lens. 80. An alloy which always has mercury as one of its components is called C. Amalgam. 81. The purity of gold is expressed in carats. The purest form of gold is answer A. 24 carat. 24 carat. 82. In eye donation, which of the following parts of the donor's eye is utilized? 82. B. Cornea. 83. The deficiency of vitamin B causes C. Beriberi. 84. The sleeping sickness is caused by D. Trypanosoma. 85. Which of the following is used to make non-stick cookware? Option D. Polytetrafluoroethylene. 86. Question hindi klawa. 87. Oil rises up to the wick in a lamp. The principle involves C. Capillary action phenomenon. 88. In 2014, a drug named ZMapp was approved by World Health Organization WHO to combat option D. Ebola. Deficiency of vitamin C causes option A. Scurvy. Salam is equivalent to A. Vokpui. 91. Ramhual was abolished in 1951 during the time of the superintendent of the Mizo Hills. C. S.N. Barkataki. 92. The custom of Mithiroplam belongs to D. Lusai only. Option D. 93. Okpaka in Mizo tradition society relates with the Zolbuk. The Chin Lusai Conference 1892 was held at Calcutta during January 25 to 29. 95. The name of Lusai district was changed into Mizo district in C. 1954. 96. The United Mizo Freedom Organization UMFO was founded on C. July 5, 1947. 97. The superintendent of Lusai Hills, who wrote about the early life and history of Mizos in his book Lusai Chrysalis, was option A. A.G. McCall. 98. A queen of fairy who is regarded as the guardian and maker of wild animals. Option number C. Chongtin Leri. 99. A kind of insect used as mandrake to predict the character of future partner. D. Laksang. 100. The guardian of Mizo bride on her way to the bridegroom's house is Loichal. Option B.